In order to make a Turkish cast on, we need to start by making a slip knot and put it on our needle. Like so. I'm going to take the second needle and place it underneath the needle with the slip knot. I'm going to start wrapping our yarn around both needles. The number of wraps are half of the number of the cast on that you are being asked to do. Let's say, for example, you are being asked to cast on 32 stitches and separate them evenly between both needles. You need to wrap 16 times, half of the time, half of the stitches you are being asked to cast on. So we're going to wrap 16 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 times, like that. Oops. We're going to turn our needles to the other side, holding this yarn so it will not be unraveled. We have the needle with the slip knot on the bottom, and we're going to pull it out. We're going to start knit the upper needle, the 16 wrapped stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Like so. I'm going to pull the stitches back to the needle with the slip knot. Again, we're going to turn our work. This time the slip knot is at the top. This is our working yarn coming out from the bottom needle. And we're going to work the second half of our cast on. These. I'm going to take this slip knot off. We don't need it anymore. Just take it off the needle. I'm going to pull out the bottom needle and work these 16 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, the last one, 16. We've worked one round of our cast on. In order to finish our cast on, we need to do another round. We're going to, again, pull the stitches back on the needle. And then again, we're going to turn our work and start another round. If we don't know which needle we need to pull, this one or this one, need to look where is our yarn coming out. Where is the last stitch that we knitted? There it is. This is the last stitch. If this is our last stitch, we need to work on the next stitch, which is this one, on the second needle. So we're always pulling out the needle that has the last stitch on. This is the last stitch. We're going to pull this one out. We're going to work the right side. That means you can see the pearls on this side, and these are our knit, our right side. So we're going to work on this side. Again, we're going to knit all through this needle, our 16 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Finished half of a round. I'm going to pull our needle back, our stitches back on the needle. Sorry, like that. I'm going to turn our work again. We need to work the other round. Again, if we are confused and we don't know which needle we need to pull out, let's look again. Where is our last stitch coming out from? Just a minute. There we go. It's coming out from this needle. So that means we've worked these stitches, and this is where our yarn is coming out. We need to work these stitches. So we're pulling out this needle. I'm going to work the right side of the second needle. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 15, and 16. Let's pull the stitches back to our needle. Let's see what we have. We have stockinette stitch, pearls, the knit coming from both sides. This is our Turkish cast on. In order to continue, again, we're going to turn our work, hold our yarn. It's going to fold like so. You can start seeing the beginning of a sock. And again, if we need to make another round or start our increases, we're going to pull out the needle that has the last stitch coming out and work on the right side. Usually we're going to start making our increases here. It's like knit one and then make one right or make one left and so on. So this is our Turkish cast on. I hope it was informative. I hope you got it. Feel free to ask me anything. Bye bye.